Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Mahdizadeh from Fudan University. I'm here with you to start a great Python course in MorePython channel. You can follow me on Instagram, Apparat or YouTube or in Twitter with MorePython. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you will learn how to setting up Python. You will learn how to install it on different operation systems like Mac or Windows or Linux. Then we will go for your first Python program and it will be awesome. Strings and string methods will be the third subject that you will learn. Then we will go for number and mass, functions and loops, finding and fixing code bugs. I believe that it's very important, so you will learn it at the beginning steps. Conditional logic and control flow, tuples, lists and dictionaries will be the next. Then we will go for object-oriented programming and modules and packages. These are very important and you will learn the concepts and how to implement them. File inputs and output will be the next subject that we will work with. You will learn the concept and how to code. Installing packages with pip will be the next subject. Python is based on packages and you have to learn how to install them or how to remove them. Creating and modifying PDF files, working with databases will be next. Interacting with the web will be one part of our course. Scientific computing and graphing. This is very important, I believe that, because you will learn NumPy library and Matplotlib. This is very useful for students who are working on academic issues. Graphical user interface or GUI will be the next step because you can create forms. Final thoughts and next steps. We will discuss what you can do after this course. And what I will lead you is let's do some image processing, machine vision, and deep learning with Python. It will be our next course. Thank you for watching.